Hi guys, we welcome you here. Miglio 5792 Furniture Factory is located in Guangdong Province, China. With 35,000 square meters of production plant, we dedicate to the high-quality furniture products and mainly export to more than 20 countries in Europe and the United States for the high-end furniture market. Our customers all over the world, we adhere to the healthy and environmental protection and scientific humanization as the design concept with the combination of design, production, and sales. We put a high value to our products' quality and the use of environmentally friendly materials that meet international standards. We have obtained the necessary qualification certificates of the furniture industry, such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and so on. Our furniture products exclude any harmful substances, such as formaldehyde and benzene, and we adopt the most advanced production equipment and processes to ensure the quality and service life of the products. We focus on design and innovation, with the cooperation of our domestic work team and design teams in Italy and the USA. Both collaborate to search for the ingenious and efficient new designs that perfectly blend aesthetics and practicality. Our products are not only very user-friendly in design, taking into account consumers' needs such as comfort, convenience, and safety, but also have received high praise internationally and have been favored by many consumers. In addition, we provide private customization services that can produce the best products for the consumers, basing on their specific needs, from components, dimensions, to colors. We can customize full house furniture accordingly, and the services include sofas, beds, dining chairs, leisure chairs, dining tables, coffee tables, side tables, and outdoor beds. And we have our own after-sales service team to provide excellent experience for your purchase. Thanks for watching.